Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I have a special unboxing. I have a guest here, which is my daughter. Say hello. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be unboxing this little package here, which is a shark, I'll say a shark day backpack kind of thingy. So open it. Okay, let's take out this thingy. Put it on the floor. So hold it up. Just sit down. Yeah. So you can see here is a shark bag. It's a half camo bag, as you can see. Just try and open it up. It's a bit flat right now. No, just hold on. No. So as you can see, it's pretty much folded. So you can kind of expand it a little bit. So it's something like a is it Boston bag? Would it be right to say it's a Boston bag? Yeah, so this is basically how big it is. Yeah, it's definitely a sports bag. So you got the Velcro handle here. Alright, so honey, stand up. Where are you going, dear? Okay, sit down. So you can see it's pretty small bag, but I guess it's good enough for a gym bag or sports bag or something you just want to carry it around with some small items, quick items. So unzip it. So you got the front zip there to put all your good stuff, and you got the tag right there. Put it on the chair. So it's pretty decent size, you know. Then you got the Tiger A print on top. It's pretty cool. And you got the print of the first camo yellow shark face. Also pretty cool. So there's a front compartment, and the back you also have the shark face. So it's kind of dual shark face on both sides of the bag, which is pretty dope. First camo yellow, shark eyes, shark mouth, all printed. And then you got the sling bag. Oh, put it on your shoulder. Let's see how it looks. Okay, turn to the side. Turn to the side. Yeah, it's pretty big. Yep, it's pretty decent, right? So on top you get the, no, it's actually at the on top right, you get the WGM print. So it's on both sides. Right side you got the Tiger A, left side you got the WGM, and then you got the main compartment here, and here you got the kind of like a zip thingy here, which has the BAPE head and R behind. Right, pretty cool. And you got the main compartment there. Right, it's pretty decent size.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So there's another compartment, mini compartment inside the main compartment. Unzip it. So basically it's like a small little pack. I think it's quite standard design of most of the day bags. They've got just a big empty space here and one pocket compartment here. Alright. Is there anything else inside? Can you check if there's anything inside? No. So no side pockets, any of that sort. Alright. So you got the thingy here. Alright, made of plastic, hard plastic. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. So basically you can use this as your gym bag, your sports bag, all that good stuff. So how do you like the bag? Good. Okay, turn it around. Just turn it around. Let's have a look. Final look. Alright. Yep.
Got a shot right here.
Yeah. Okay, turn it the other side.
The other side is...
Yeah. It's pretty cool, right? Alright. So, hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, like, follow me on IG at LKHOE23. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya!